Hi, I'm Ron Manwaring, founder and CEO of Blinds Chalet. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to install your new Bali Roman shades. Let's go. First, gather your tools. You'll need a cordless drill, a pencil and pen for marking, a tape measure, and possibly a step stool or ladder, depending on your mounting height. Included with your shade will be all the necessary hardware, including mounting brackets and screws. Next, decide where your brackets will go. On the top of your Roman shade's headrail, you'll see metal mounting plates. These are where the brackets will clip in, so it's important that your bracket locations line up with these plates. Next, mark the location for the mounting brackets. You have two options here. Option 1 is to hold the shade up in the exact spot where you want to install it. Then look for where the mounting plates line up on the top of the headrail and mark those locations directly onto the window frame or wall. Option 2 is to measure where these mounting plates align on the top of the headrail and then transfer those measurements to your mounting surface. These marks will show you the exact spot where you need to install your brackets. Once you've marked a location where the brackets go, install them with the included screws. For an inside mount, screw through the top of the bracket into the top of the window frame. For an outside mount, screw through the back of the bracket into the wall or door or surface. Now attach the shade to the installed brackets. Start by hooking the front edge of the headrail mounting plate into the front of the bracket. Then rotate the back of the headrail upwards until it clicks securely into place. Your Bali shade is easy to operate. Gently pull down on the cord or lift the shade using the bottom rail to adjust it to your desired height. And that's it. It's that easy. You've just installed your Roman shades like a pro. Another beautiful finish, courtesy of Blinds Chalet.